Hey everyone, so I just got a new vacuum, the Shark Rotator. I got this on Black Friday at Sam's Club, so that was kind of fun. I started the unboxing. Of course the video never works first time, right? So we got the attachment tube piece, another attachment piece, and all the technical terms here, right? The nozzle part, that's probably right. And then the actual tube piece, and this is like super heavy duty. I feel like this actually weighs like a lot for what I'm used to, but I feel like it's gonna be more heavy duty and it seems more flexible than most of them that you get, so that's good. Then we're gonna stand up here, try and get the actual vacuum out so you can see that, and I think that's everything. Just some cardboard. It's nifty. They taped together a bunch of cardboard. It's funny, it looks like something you do if you like hand mailed it. Anyway, so we get this puppy out here. It smells new. As clean as it'll ever be. You can kind of see we went with this tank one because it's easier to clean, and then you can clean all the filters and everything more easily. To remove before use. Alright, so the reason we got this is we needed a reliable vacuum because ours stinks. And we don't actually have that much carpet, so we didn't want to spend a ton of money on it. So this one was around $100 on Black Friday. And I believe you can remove all of this. I should look at the user's manual stuff. But you can definitely remove the tank somehow here. Maybe you have to do both of them at the same time and not hold it. So I figured out the tank part. There's this blue knob on the side, if I can get to it, up here that you just pull up, and then this whole thing lifts out, and then you can open the bottom or you can open the top like so, and then you can kind of rinse out everything. So that's handy. You can take out this filter. There's actually a couple different filters in there that you can take out and wash. Again, that's why I like this better than the bags. It seems like it's just easier to clean from past experience. So now I'm working on putting it together. It comes with this kind of handy dandy little guide here. You're gonna go ahead and pop this in here. The only reason I'm showing this, oh, and it's got a lock button on here. So if you ever want to take this out, it just locks back in. So that goes in there. The reason I'm showing you this is just to show kind of how easy or how hard it is. Some stuff is not very easy to put together or take apart or anything like that. Plastic is beating me right now. So then this comes in. Let's try and turn. It's kind of hard to show. But you kind of line up, there's different pieces on here, you can just line it up, and that also should just click right in. It feels like it's not in there very good. Maybe I didn't line it up right. So not that hard. I didn't look right at it. There's similar shapes on there. Anyway, so then you got this nice like nozzle gun. And there's some more stickers you need to remove. Lots and lots of stickers throughout. Okay, and then we have this piece which you can just click in here. So you can use it like a normal vacuum, or you can take it out. And why it's partially an unboxing, so I'm opening all the stuff at the same time, but then you can do something like that. Ooh. But don't do that because something just fell out of here. But you can take it apart and clean it then, which you can't do with most attachments. So we probably won't use this one first since I just like busted it. So I'll figure that out. But you can see that one's just like, oh, use in hard floor setting. But I think you can just put that on there and then, like I said, go. Otherwise, we have this other little nozzle, which also looks like it'll kind of hook on here. So overall, pretty cool so far, but we'll see how it works. Okay, so we got it all set up. I'm going to show you the hardwood floor over here, and then move on to the carpet so you can kind of see how it works. There's a few settings on here. Bring it in here close so you can see off. The first one is hardwood, and then it's carpet. You can also, if you want to, unlock this and pull this whole thing out, and now you have, I don't know what, just the suction tube piece. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And so if we come up here, the way you tilt it is just by stepping on it and shifting it back, and it tilts real easily and it swivels real nicely. Now we'll really get started. So you can see it did a pretty good job. Fairly easy to maneuver compared to others that I have tried. The only complaint I have is this handle gets a little bit awkward, like grabbing onto it. Maybe it's just I need to get used to it, you know, like this. It just seems, I don't know. Maybe it's just a personal problem. It's not actually like that bad. It still works well. It just seems like it gives you a good arm workout because it's fairly heavy. Whereas I feel like some of the other ones support themselves a little bit more, but the other ones aren't as maneuverable. Because this one I was able to get under the shoes really easily and turn really easily. And it picked up almost everything off the rug in one pass. So that is really awesome. I also like how easily these attachments come apart. Like I said, you can just unlock it. And here, this one came with like this pet brush piece as well as the other nozzle, and it works really well on hardwoods and carpets. I left a couple needles behind, but I think I might have actually dragged them in because they're all over from this decoration we made. But overall, I would definitely recommend the Shark Rotator here. Very good value for $100. It looks like it'll do all of the floors really well. With its maneuverability, I think we'll even be able to use it on the stairs. So I would recommend, and it's going to replace 3 of our vacuums. So hopefully that helps you.